this, next one's another part like this, next one's another part like this, next one's another part like this.
I don't know how to speak French. Okay, something different. No. Okay. Hours, but it's a Friday. Hi everybody, welcome back to another video. If this is your first time on my channel, hi, I'm Nandini and I'm currently a freshman at NYU, which is New York University, and I am planning to declare a double major between dramatic literature and journalism, but you know, that can always change. And for now, I have a lot of work to get done. So welcome to this study, not so study session with me, and I hope you guys can watch this video and be a little more motivated to study and just get things done. Okay, so there are a bunch of things that I do before I actually start studying. I get clear of all the clutter on my desk because then it just confuses me as to what subject I'm studying and where is my pen and where's my pencil. Obviously, I get all the things that I need for studying, like if I need a notebook or my planner or like pens or something, I get everything ready, and of course my laptop because literally everything is there, including my classes, textbooks, everything. Then for me personally, I don't like to have any food or drinks with me as I study, not even water, because I don't know, it just distracts me. Like me as a person, I get distracted by very small things very easily, which is why I like to not even eat or drink. I know a lot of people do that, and if that works for you, go ahead, please do that. But for me, I just know when I'm focusing on something, I can only just focus on that. Otherwise, I'm not going to get things done with the efficiency that I do get them done with now. And I always study with music, unless it's something that I'm going to do now, which is basically biology, in which I actually need to understand a lot of the material and watch some videos and understand some diagrams. That sort of things I won't do with music, but when I'm writing papers and assignments or just doing general research, I always 100% listen to music. And obviously, for now, as I mentioned, what am I going to work on? I am going to work on a core sort of requirement course, which is a biology course, because I have my second midterm coming up and I have a few concepts that I feel a little loose on. So I'm just going to go to YouTube and I'm going to watch some like videos, because I am a highly visual learner. Like flowcharts and diagrams really help me understand the concepts behind concepts, because there's no point in memorizing if you don't understand. And especially this course, the professor always gives you really tricky questions that always test your concept and not any definition or marking on a diagram. So I'm gonna do that. And let's say, yeah, these are actually my YouTube notes, because as I said, I get distracted easily and I have a pretty bad memory unless I write things down. So I think that's what I'm going to do now, and I will hopefully give you any updates if something good or bad happens in my study session. And let's get rolling. I always say that. We're all in this together, guys. All in this together. Let's get it.
Incus and stapes, commonly known as the hammer, anvil, and stirrup. One end of the malleus connects to the inner eardrum and moves back and forth when the drum vibrates. The other...
Okay, hi everybody. Okay, please just excuse this mess. Everything is sort of charging right now because I was studying for quite a while, and now I am not done with my study session / biology session. I have to get back to it. But right now I have an interview with the magazine at like 5:30, which is in like 6 minutes. So I'm just gonna wait for the journalist's call and I'm gonna proceed on with that. Then at 6:30 I have my last class for this week. It's the recitation with Gabriel, who I have introduced in a previous video of mine. All the links will be present. I'm gonna go and attend that recitation. Then hopefully I'm gonna get back to my studies and I will take you on with me. I kind of feel like I'm studying biology and today I look like a doctor, even though this is a denim jacket, but like, you know, like the whole like, I just wish I had like a stethoscope and like, I think I would look pretty doctory today. I don't know. Oh, okay. Okay, so I'm done with the sort of interview. Why is my voice so... Anyways, and the interview was pretty short, but it was like on the point, which is what I liked. All in all, I told him that even though online university might seem like a waste to a lot of people, and that's totally understandable, that, you know, going to a live classroom and being in front of a professor is obviously different than attending something online. But I think we all are just trying to make the best of the situations we are in right now. And honestly, frankly speaking, I don't think online university is as bad as people make it seem to be. At least in my case, I think NYU and all my professors they've been very, very accommodating. I would believe that I'm pretty fortunate to say that. Okay, I'm gonna give myself a little study break now because I absolutely cannot study for more than like 4 hours, even though it's not been 4 hours, but it's a Friday. It's fine. I'm gonna go make myself a cup of coffee, and then I have a recitation, as I mentioned before, to get to. Hi guys, so I just finished my recitation. I usually never take my recitation outside over here, but I felt like I just needed a change of place, and my piggies wanted to sort of roam around. They've been pretty dull today. Anyways, getting back to the point, recitation was pretty fun today. When me and my preceptor, like, we were talking before the recitation actually started, I could sense the amount of stress that people over there have built up within them because of the US presidential election. By the time I upload this video, the president is going to be announced, and I'm really not here to talk about my political standing or whatever, but you know, I could see like whichever side people were supporting, both sides seem to be pretty tense. Apparently there are protests going on in New York, according to what my preceptor told me, and of course it's a tough time, and you know, many students said that they were finding it very difficult to concentrate on their like academics and just normal life this week, which is completely and totally understandable. And I don't know, I feel like I should probably, of course, go and revise my notes now, but I should probably also, sorry, I'm just thinking, like, I'm just talking as I'm thinking. I think I'm gonna make like a card for some of the people that I know at NYU to help them, you know, to do my best to make them feel better. I mean, I personally love making cards for people whenever it's their birthday, or whenever, you know, I want to congratulate them, or whenever they're feeling sad, because I think it's a really nice thing to like personally take out the time to like write up a card, and even if not decorate it, just write something. And like, obviously I can't go to New York and give those people, you know, the cards, but I think it's a good way to just like take a picture and send it, and when I physically go to New York, hopefully next year, then I'll be able to give the card in a person. So yeah, I think I'm gonna get on to doing some more studying now, and then probably make the cards. Here's Chimmy just, I think, looking and eating flowers off the ground, or like some dried leaves or something, and like he keeps coming to my feet and like distracting me. Chimmy! Yeah, Chimmy! Come on now. Okay, no. Okay, I see him turning. Okay, see, this is exactly what I said. I hate not studying anywhere but my desk because I have distractions. Well, I guess Jimmy is just busy there. I'm gonna continue studying. Okay. Felicity conditions. Felicity conditions. Who can say? What example? Marriage, like marrying people. Who gets to do it in what situation? Derrida, deconstruction. So now Derrida is like the person who's arguing against Austin, I guess. Presence is like the difference between speech and writing is like writing like it being continued forward. Like you wrote something, it can be read 36 centuries later. What we're doing now, basically. Speech is like when you said it and it's done. So it's like in the present. Like, you know, when you talk about tense, a lot of people think about what happened in the past and the future, but nobody talks about present, like presence, here and now. Defer, I don't know how to speak French. Okay, something difference. No. Okay. Deferred presence. Like in writing, it's like deferred presence. Like the speaker is not there, either the sender is not there, or like the. Guys, this is what happens when you suddenly start making a card for a person for them to feel better, and you procrastinate not cleaning your desk. Woohoo! Lovely. Okay guys, so I got back to studying again, and biology is sucking the life out of me. Like, I am not a science person. I don't like studying bio every single day. I've literally been studying this subject every single day because I have a midterm coming up, and hopefully I I think I'll be done today, and hopefully I can take at least one day break tomorrow where I just do not touch this subject. I literally couldn't do anything else because, of this great thing. I really respect everybody who can do science. Just wow. Wow.
Right, so you have a bunch of these clusters of photoreceptors. Now picture what happens. All these photoreceptors provide output to this, and that's a bipolar cell. This is really not what it looks like. This is just meant to be a diagram.
Oh God.
Polar cell. And that polar cell